Lewis representation means how to write the Lewis structure of any molecule. For this we have to find out something, and that is, first thing is we have to find out the total number of electrons. Means we have to assume that all the elements in that compound has completed its octet. For example, let us take the example of CCl4. So in this case, total number of electrons, if the octet of carbon and chlorine is complete, it will be, for carbon it is 8, and for 4 atoms of chlorine it will be 32, it will be 40. So this is the total number of electrons. We have assumed that each and every element has completed its octet. Now the second thing is we have to find out the total number of valence electrons, means the actually the electrons which these have, outermost electrons. Carbon, it has 4 electrons, chlorine it has 7 electron each, so it will be 7 4s are 28, so it will be 32. Now it requires 40 electrons. All the elements total they require 40 electrons, and out of this 32 electrons they have. Now we will find out how to find out what is the shared pair of electrons. So for shared pair of electron or shared electrons, these are not paired, these are shared electrons, we have to subtract this 32 from 40. Means we have to subtract the valence electrons which actually they have from the total number of electrons, means the required number of electrons, and this will give us the shared pair of electrons, shared number of electrons. So it will be 8, and now the remaining out of 32, 8 are involved in sharing, the remaining will be unshared electrons. So 32 unshared electrons, it will be 32 minus 8, it will be 24. No problem. So let us try to find out what we will do. We will have to write the element which is electropositive. So carbon, out of carbon and chlorine, out of carbon and chlorine, carbon is electropositive. So we will write this in center, and 4 chlorine atoms like this. Means the electropositive element or the element which is bigger in size will be written in the center, and rest others will be arranged around that element. Now out of these, let us see what is shared electrons. This is shared electrons, and these shared electrons means they will be shared between these carbon and chlorine atoms. So let us equally distribute these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 electrons have been already distributed. Now the remaining unshared electrons, means these 24 electrons, they are arranged in such a fashion that octet of all these elements is complete. We know that octet of carbon is already completed, so we have to distribute these 24 electrons in these, among these 4 chlorine atoms. So let us arrange these 24. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Octet is complete. Now 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, complete. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. Now this is the Lewis structure of CCl4. Similarly, we can also, let us take the example of nitrate ion. Nitrate ion. While counting the number of electrons, total number of electrons, we have to add this 1 electron, because negative means it has accepted 1 electron. So total number of electrons, there are actually 4 atoms, so it will be 4 8s are 32. So 32 electrons should be there. Now the valence electrons, total valence electrons are 5 for nitrogen and 6 3s are 18 for oxygen, and this electron plus 1, it will be this. So 18 plus 5 is 23, plus 1 is 24. So total valence electrons in nitrate ion is 24. Now the shared electrons, out of 24, means it requires 32 electrons, it has 24 electrons. So 32 minus 24, it will give us 8. Now these 8 electrons give us the shared electrons, and out of 24, 8 are shared. So unshared electrons will be 24 minus 8, so it will be 16. Now let us try to find out of these 2 atoms which is electropositive. You know that nitrogen is electropositive. Electropositive element you can write in the center, or any other way. Another way is that you can write the element which is bigger in size, because bigger in size element will always behave as a central atom, and rest other elements which are electronegative or are smaller in size, they will be arranged around that central atom. Now there are 3 oxygen atoms. So one oxygen atom, second oxygen atom and the third oxygen atom. Now out of total electrons, 8 electrons are to be shared between these 3. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So one more is there, we can write it anywhere between nitrogen and oxygen, either in this side or in between this or in between this. So these 8 electrons are shared. Now after that 16 electrons more we have to distribute, so that octet of all these atoms is complete. Nitrogen's octet is already complete, so 1, 2, 3, 4 it is okay. Let's write 16. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Octet is complete. Now 4, then remaining 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So this is the, now because this nitrate ion has negative charge, either you write negative charge like this here or you can write negative charge here, because our electronegative element which is bonded with the single bond, in this case it will be having a negative charge, and the overall negative charge you can represent it outside the square bracket. So this is the electron dot structure or the Lewis structure of nitrate ion. Now one more example of cation I am just writing. Now let's try to understand how we'll write the structure of ammonium ion, NH4 plus. Now total number of electrons in this case will be, means this is 8 for nitrogen and where there are 4 atoms of hydrogen, so it will be 2 4s are 8, so it will be 16. Now the valence electrons, it will be, valence electrons for nitrogen it is 5, 4 atoms of hydrogen, so it will be having 4, and this plus 1, the charge of cation will be subtracted, so it will become 8. Now the shared pair of electrons will be 16 minus 8. In this case we will not find the unshared electrons, because we know that in center the nitrogen will be there and hydrogen will occupy the corner places. So we know that hydrogen does not have any lone pair of electron, unshared pair of electrons cannot be there with hydrogen. So in this case no need of finding out the unshared electrons. Now same thing, nitrogen, the element which is bigger in size will be written in the center, then hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen and hydrogen. Now 8 electrons are shared, so shared is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, and overall positive charge will be written like this. So this is the way to represent the Lewis structure of any molecule. So what are the things we have to find out? First thing is total electrons, means we are assuming that it has complete octet, all the elements have completed their octet. For hydrogen it should be duplet. So total number of electrons will be, we have to find out. Then valence electrons means actually the atom all the atoms total number of valence electrons they are having, that we have to find out. Then we have to subtract total valence electrons from total electrons, means the electrons which they have from exactly what they want. We will get it shared electrons. The remaining electrons will give us unshared electrons, but that will be found only in the case of element other than hydrogen. Then the central atom means the element which is bigger in size or less electronegative or electropositive element will be written in the center, and the remaining will be arranged in the corner, and shared electrons will be equally distributed among the 2 elements, and the unshared electrons will be equally distributed such that octet of each element is complete. So this is the way to find out to write the Lewis structure of any molecule.